Check out this Ford 2015 Escape SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel-mounted controls, voice recognition controls, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, security anti-theft alarm system, multi-function display, phone wireless data link, Bluetooth and crumple zones front. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.